Maintaining your Mahindra vehicle is crucial to keep it running smoothly and safely. One of the essential aspects of vehicle maintenance is replacing worn-out or damaged parts with the right spare parts. With a wide range of Mahindra spare parts available in the market, it can be challenging to choose the right one for your vehicle. In this video, we will discuss some tips on how to choose the right Mahindra spare parts for your vehicle. Tip 1. Choose genuine Mahindra spare parts. The first and most crucial tip is to choose genuine Mahindra spare parts. Genuine spare parts are manufactured by Mahindra and meet the company's quality standards. These spare parts are designed to fit your Mahindra vehicle perfectly and perform as intended. Using genuine Mahindra spare parts ensures the longevity of your vehicle and reduces the risk of breakdowns. Therefore, it is always recommended to use genuine Mahindra spare parts for your vehicle. Tip 2. Consider the age and model of your Mahindra vehicle. The second tip is to consider the age and model of your Mahindra vehicle when choosing spare parts. Mahindra vehicles come in different models, and each model has unique spare parts. Therefore, it is essential to know the exact model and year of your vehicle before buying spare parts. This will ensure that you purchase the right spare parts that fit your vehicle perfectly. Tip 3. Check for compatibility. Before purchasing Mahindra spare parts, it is essential to check for compatibility with your vehicle. Not all spare parts are compatible with every Mahindra vehicle, and using incompatible spare parts can cause damage to your vehicle. Therefore, it is crucial to check for compatibility before making a purchase. You can check the compatibility of spare parts by referring to the owner's manual or consulting with a Mahindra service center. Tip 4. Buy from a trusted supplier. It is always recommended to buy Mahindra spare parts from a trusted supplier. Buying from an authorized Mahindra dealer or service center ensures that you get genuine spare parts that meet the company's quality standards. Moreover, buying from a trusted supplier gives you peace of mind, knowing that you are getting the right spare parts for your vehicle. Choosing the right Mahindra spare parts for your vehicle is crucial for maintaining the performance and safety of your vehicle. Always choose genuine Mahindra spare parts, consider the age and model of your vehicle, check for compatibility, and buy from a trusted supplier. Following these tips will ensure that you get the right spare parts for your Mahindra vehicle and keep it running smoothly for years to come. Overall, if you are in need of genuine Mahindra spare parts, BP Auto Spares India is a great supplier to consider. Visit www.autospareparts.com. Thank you for watching video.